And we're using the brekkie, baby. Might die right here, but whatever. Where's all your people at? I'm so focused right now. Oh, hell nah, brother. Why are you camping there? Go ahead.
No mag KIA.
Oh, I see you. I see you. Stay there. Someone behind me?
Wasted.
Dead.
The fuck? I might die. Fuck it.
Get back. Kinetic armor charged.
Be advised. Hostile HCXD spotted.
How about no? I don't know if I hear footsteps. I heard him.
Ambush hunter down.
I hear someone. Holy shit.
Infantry neutralized.
Oh my god.
Forces flash. Enemy down.
You're mad, bro. Damn it, bro. How the fuck are you still alive, Mike? Oh my god. That's trash. Come on, we gotta go in, baby. Watch, they're all gonna be camping over here.
Tango down.
Nope.
Bitch. Where's that gun?
Spectre smoke.
Peekaboo.
Threat neutralized.
Oh my god.
They're gone.
Get off me, bro.
Who's that?
Oh my god.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Dropped. Shut out.
Jesus Christ.
Tag on, request hater tag.
Go in, teammate.
Blue mag kill.
36 and 1 right now? No way.
They're gone.
Get ready.
Jesus Christ. This brekkie is unbelievably good. I don't care, I'm going in.
Armor's up.
My kill now, boy.
Tanked it.
Go in there, teammate.
No match wasted.
He's mad. Jesus. 51-1 right now. Kobe. Oh, that was cricket. No! Jesus. That was terrible.
UAV inbound.
Is he head glitching?
Spectre smoked.
Move, ugly. Ready for the snipe? Who's trying to get sniped? I want the kill cam. Watch this quick scope. Oh my god, that was terrible, guys.
UAV spotted.
Oh my god.
All objectives secured.
GG.
Crushed it.
This breckie is insane. This breckie is the best. (52-3) with a shotgun on fringe.
Got a pair.
52-3, 17.3 KD. That's why the breckie is probably the best shotgun in this game besides the Olympia. If the Olympia had more shots, like 4 shots, 5, it'd be the best shotgun. But the breckie, it holds it down. Best gun so far. Oh, let's see what we got here. 10 crypto keys, standard mag. What medals did we get? I don't know. Let's see if we can get this XMC real quick.
No sudden movements.
Oh snap, my phone just dropped. XMC, XMC, XMC. Ah! Come on, come on. Wow. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, hit that bell, turn on the post notifications so when I upload, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.